guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back to another vlog today, living in the US with Teacher E. So today guys, samahan niyo ako muli sa pag-visit natin sa St. Louis Zoo, and it's a home to over 12,000 animals, and the best part, it's completely free to visit. So dito tayo ngayon guys sa entrance area, and this zoo is typically open every day from 8 o'clock to 4:30 in the afternoon. Meron nga tayong zoom up guys para hindi tayo maligaw. So around 2 p.m. guys, nag-start na kami sa paglalakad dahil 2 hours na lang ang natitira para malibot namin itong zoo. As you enter, ang first station nga natin ay nandito kami ngayon sa Penguin and Puffin Coast. Habang naglalakad nga tayo dito guys, ay bigla kong naalala, ang time na bago ako nag-flight ay namasyal din kami with my family sa Manila Zoo at dun nga ay may entrance fee. Na-amaze nga ako dito guys dahil wala ngang entrance fee at sobrang may enjoy mo nga talaga. And now, we're here at the lake guys at napaka-relaxing nga ng view. And dito nga guys, the St. Louis Zoo isn't just about the animals, it's about the experience. And for me lang it's a perfect place for families or your friends, your loved ones who just loves a good day outdoors.
Wait, what? How did she get in there?
And this guys, this is the hippopotamus, and I've never seen one in person before. That's why I'm beyond grateful and excited to finally get a close look at this massive. I mean guys, nakikita ko naman sila sa TV, but seeing them up close is a whole different experience. And look guys, nakakatuwa lang tingnan. They are so actually excellent swimmers. Naglakad-lakad na nga muna kami ng husband ko at bumili muna kami nitong kape. Then, dumiretso na nga kami at napunta kami dito sa may wild dogs. At first, akala ko hindi sila mga dogs at wild nga sila, kaya nakakulong sila dyan sa mataas na riles. And from here guys, mawi-witness naman natin the different giant animals here in the St. Louis Zoo. Spider speed guys, cheetahs are pretty chill when they're not chasing down prey. Kapag na-enjoy mo lang, na-view sila na ganyan, kalmado at wala silang hinahabol, it's just a great experience. Here guys, we have also the African elephant. At naalala ko na naman nga bigla ng time na nag-visit kami sa Manila Zoo ay wala na nga yung kaisa-isang elephant doon. At gusto ko nga sanang ma-witness ni Aviana ang elephant, kaso nga wala na raw si Mali sa Manila Zoo. That's why naalala ko siya rin. And around 3:30 nga guys, ay medyo naramdaman ko na masakit na yung paa ko, kaya naisip muna namin ang husband ko na magpahinga muna saglit. At ina-enjoy muna namin yung view dito dahil napakasarap ng hangin at sobrang relaxing at kalmado. Walang maingay, tanging mga huni lang ng ibon ang naririnig namin dyan. Kaya guys, much better sana kung mas maaga kaming nag-visit dito dahil mas masusulit natin yung buong maghapon sa paglilibot dito sa zoo. At kulang nga guys yung 2 hours na paglilibot namin dito sa zoo dahil gusto ko nga sanang itry yung trekking activities dyan. And honestly guys, this is my favorite spot here, so relaxing and calm.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.